Okay, so good day, Sir Virgilio. Day 2 po tayo. We'll be working your biceps and tricep focus. Tapos samahan din natin ng core and konting calf raises, gastrocs. So, first things first, ano po tayo? Mobility and warm-up. So, feet wide, hands sa floor. Okay? Okay lang dito mag-bend. Tapos, all the way up. Tapos, open. Yung kamay. Big circles, inhale, exhale up. So 10 repetitions, down. Okay. So mobilizing yung ano pa, yung hips, yung shoulders natin. Okay, for additional mobility and then warm up. So up, open, down, touch yung floor. Okay lang na mag-bend yung knees all the way up. Full stretch yung katawan. Tapos open, nice and wide. Tapos palms open, stretching your biceps. Down. And go. Okay po. So, 10 repetitions and 2 sets lang. Tapos, pasok tayo sa first work natin. 2 exercise agad tayo. So, bicep curls, set natin yung mga dumbbells niyan. And then, pati yung bench, gagamitin po natin.